Do you believe that your future is fixed? Or do you believe that you can create and design the life of your dreams? Hey, my friend, glad you're here. Let me ask you a question. Do you believe that your future is fixed? Or do you believe that you can create and design the life of your dreams? I believe that our future is what we decide it's going to be. I believe that our actions and our habits determine our future. James Clear in his book Atomic Habits said, we don't decide our future, we decide our habits, and our habits determine our future. My name is Darrell and I'm a life, health, and habits coach, and I help guys who refuse to settle for mediocrity. I help them attack the limiting beliefs and the bad habits that keep them stuck, and to create and design the habits that will move them to the future that they desire, to create the life of their dreams. You see, I believe it's 100% possible for us to design the life that we want. But the problem is we're so stuck in many of our limiting beliefs and the habits and the old tapes that we play that keep us from actually living our best life. I hope that the content on this channel will not just encourage you and inspire you, but will move you to action, to actually take the action steps that will help you create and step into your best life. You're worth it, my friend. We have a choice every day how we show up. We can choose to show up just like the rest of the world, ordinary, just going through the motions and getting what we get, or we can choose to show up and step into our best life. But that is an intentional life that we choose and we create and we design. And I'm here to help you achieve the life of your dreams. Have a great day, my friend.